Sit down by the window and watch the tornado. We'll wait for the sheriff to bring some dirty water by.
It was a disaster.
All of it?
No.
You ever think maybe we're perfect for each other? We just have the same fatal flaw.
I mean, that whenever we get too close to a commitment, we totally freak out and try to escape.
That's what we've been doing here all night, right?
Help yourself out to some of my disaster. It's moving faster than the last time I was on speed. Don't you know what I mean? 'Cause it's ways and means, and your ways are mean by definition. I could fill this page up with this boy's ambitions, but I don't audition. Oh, yes, that's true. I could never act for you. Heard you saw some friends of mine last winter. Then again, I heard you disappeared into ether. I don't laugh and you smile because I'm tired. I'm feeling wired, oh so weary and oh so old. Am I being too bold? Bold enough to ask you if you really love me? In my shadows, oh yes, and in my breeze. And just one last thing, please let me say, and that is please, oh please, please stay.